Savannah is about to let the birds out before school. Luna is right there, of course. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my goodness, the excitement. It's overwhelming. Come on, guys. Got yourself a good snow hill there, buddy. You know what's funny, Savannah? All these little birds and stuff, they don't mind the snow at all. But these big, tough roosters, Reggie and Randy Bo Bandy, are afraid of the snow. Come on, you bunch of weirdos. Get out of there. Okay, Minnie. Oh, look out. Here they come.
Daddy, this is how you get them.
What are they doing, eh, Luna?
Daddy, this is how you get them. This is how you get them.
Hey, now don't bug those roosters too much. You'll be sorry. Well, guys, you know the pond's frozen down there, right? Okay, have fun. Good morning, Dot and Pearl and Snowball and Coco. How are you ladies today? Oh, that's either Fred or Josephine in there. Hello. Good morning. Well, buddy, let's get ready to get you to school, I guess. Where'd the ducks go? Oh, they're down there messing around in the snow. They actually love the snow. Listen to the goats. They're mad because they're not out yet. But I already took them a whole bunch of food and fixed up their hay for them and straw. They're just jealous. What's the matter, boys? Are you jealous? Oh, yes. That's nice to know, Huckleberry. You guys just behave back there.